Today we'll be showing you how to make a Vivak face shield. To make your face shield, you'll need a square Vivak sheet, scissors, a corner rounding tool, a block of foam, double-sided Gorilla Tape, a piece of woven elastic, and a staple gun. Begin by removing the film from your Vivak sheet and rounding the sharp edges with your scissors or rounding tool. Next, position your foam block onto the Vivak sheet and secure it in place using a length of Gorilla Tape. If you're using a logo or sticker to hide the foam block, attach it to the top of the sheet now. Finally, secure each side of the elastic band to the edges of the Vivak sheet using your staple gun. Your face shield is now ready to wear. Most of the supplies you need for this project can be purchased from US Plastic at usplastic.com.